In the shadowy recesses of America's past, the Civil War looms like a specter, a conflict that tore at the very fabric of a burgeoning nation. The year was 1861, and the country found itself on the brink of an abyss. The seeds of discord had been sown long before, in the fertile grounds of slavery and states' rights. As the nation grappled with its identity, the first shots were fired at Fort Sumter, heralding the dawn of a brutal and bloody war. The first significant clash came at the Battle of Bull Run, or Manassas as it's known in the South. This was no mere skirmish, it was a brutal baptism by fire. Union forces, confident of a swift victory, met the Confederate army in a chaotic and deadly confrontation. The roars of cannon fire and the screams of the wounded echoed through the hills. By the end of the day, the Union was in full retreat, and the realization set in that this war would be neither short nor easy. Then came the Battle of Antietam, a name that still chills the blood. On September 17, 1862, the bloodiest single day in American military history unfolded. Over 22,000 soldiers were killed, wounded, or missing by the day's end. The streams of Antietam ran red with their blood, a stark testament to the war's ferocity. This battle halted General Lee's invasion of the North, and gave President Lincoln the momentum needed to issue the Emancipation Proclamation. Finally, we turn to the Battle of Gettysburg, often seen as the turning point of the Civil War. From July 1st to July 3rd, 1863, the fields of Pennsylvania became a theater of war. Over 50,000 soldiers fell in those 3 days. The Union's decisive victory here ended Lee's second invasion of the North. It was a battle marked by heroism and tragedy, from Pickett's doomed charge to the steadfast defense of Little Round Top. The Civil War concluded in 1865, but its echoes resonate through American history. It was a struggle not just for territory, but for the soul of a nation. The battles of Bull Run, Antietam, and Gettysburg were not just milestones, they were crucibles that forged a new America, one both haunted by its past and hopeful for its future. So next time you hear whispers of this war on the winds of history, remember these battles and the men who fought them. They are a poignant reminder that freedom and unity often come at a harrowing cost. Until next time, keep the echoes of history alive.